Okay, and I'm gonna take you outside. I have a little balcony actually. So this is my view. It's not the best view, I think, but oops, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna do this. There we go. Okay. Singapore. I'm not sure where the buildings are, but I'm pretty high up. I saw a lot of buildings like that have that kind of like, I don't want to say Victorian, but maybe Victorian's the right word, or Edwardian. So there were a lot of facades like that. And there's tennis courts. They're playing tennis already. Looking down. Oh, there's the pool. Cool. I guess that's another hotel there, maybe? There's more of the city. And there's some construction. I'll give you more later.